Welcome, beautiful soul. Tonight, we invite deep healing for your body, your mind, and your spirit. As you prepare for sleep, let this meditation wash over you like a warm, loving light, dissolving stress, releasing tension, and restoring your entire being. Simply close your eyes and let my voice guide you into peace. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully. Again, breathe in healing energy and exhale anything heavy. With every breath, imagine golden light filling your body, cleansing, renewing. Now bring gentle awareness to your feet. Feel them relax completely. Moving up to your legs, releasing all fatigue. Let this healing energy flow into your hips, spine, and belly, softening every cell. Now your chest, shoulders, arms, hands. Let them grow heavy as if sinking into a warm embrace. Finally, relax your neck, jaw, face, and even the space between your brows. Total surrender. Imagine a soft violet light surrounding your mind, dissolving worries, fears, and racing thoughts. With every exhale, let them drift away like clouds. You are safe. You are held. Tonight, your mind is at ease. If any emotions arise, acknowledge them with kindness, then release them into the healing light. You are free. You are whole. Now visualize a radiant white light above you. This is pure divine energy. It flows gently into the crown of your head, filling your entire being with love. Feel this light healing your spirit, reconnecting you to peace, to joy, to your truest self. You are exactly where you need to be. You're enough. You are loved beyond measure. Repeat softly in your heart. My body is healing. My mind is calm. My spirit is free. I surrender to rest. I am at peace. Now let go completely. The healing light surrounds you, cradles you. Your breathing slows. Your heart softens. You are floating, drifting into the deepest, most restorative sleep. Sleep now, dear one. May you awaken renewed. If this meditation brought you peace, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs healing. Good night and sweet dreams.